What about Sakura Stardust? Do you know that she would like this song that I am about to play? What about other songs we like this song? What? I don't think Spring J Bonnie would like Sesame Street anymore, not even the Gina photo, which, I don't know if we have thoughts of taking that photo to the Melbourne Pop-Up Artist Alley Expo. What do you think, Chris Bouchier?
But I always thought that I'd see you again.
What was that? What was that?
Who knows? Sesame Street is just a family show. Gina from 1986 to the mid-90s looks like one of those heartbreakers.
You just got to see me through another day.
But then, what cosplay is going to show up during the event? Maybe Fry Run, Beyond Journey's End. Would they have that in here?
I won't make it any other way.
How am I gonna sleep without you?
Seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I seen lonely times when I could not find a friend.
This, over here, is the Ford Performance Season launch. There's Front Row Motorsports, the whole gang there.
We can shout it down, we can shout it down.
Every time my back turned towards the sun.
Let's have a look at Ryan Priest right now.
Who knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around.
Breeze upside down. He's barrel rolling through the grass.
It's all about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines in pieces on the ground.
Ryan Priest, well yeah, he went to the Japan Festival last year and saw Heartbeats cosplaying and dancing to Oshinoko. And Ryan Priest would end up seeing fairy dog dances there at the Japan Festival. I can't remember. I think it was when Heartbeats was dancing. Ryan Priest would miss out on seeing Chaotic Passion, Polarity, Divina, and a few others.
One more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around now.
Riley Herbst is so ready for Oz Comic-Con in June, but then while dancing to his Southern Sons music, Polka Dance plays in the background.
Hey boogie boogie